What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I had my grad party over here, and I found this pond. I did throw a cast and Ned rig, and I was wheeling really fast, and something blew up right there. So there might be bass here. It could have been a frog. This is a really good spot for a frog. I don't know. Something just blew up out there. I think there is fish in here. I think this might have been formed because there's a creek back there, and when it got really high, it formed this. I'm gonna throw a frog, see if I can get any topwater smacks. I will put like a grub on to try for some bluegill, but main goal today is to catch bass. I've seen roam in the creek. I have no room to cast. I stand this way and reel this way. I don't have that room. Yeah, that's a freaking bass. What if I just saw that the freaking bass just... Okay, nope. Scared the hell out of me. Try again. I was looking at the water. I was looking down, trying to like figure out what the right retrieval technique would be. I guess I found it. Well, I know there's bass in here, so I'm probably gonna try some of the baits that I just bought. See how they do. Using a missile craw, probably. Never used this before, so I don't know what to expect. I did test it out there yesterday. I was fishing on the creek. I just decided to throw them on, test them out, see what they look like, and look pretty good. I wonder if I should throw the lizard, because how many fish in here see a lizard? I got a fish. Oh, I got a bass. Didn't even know. Didn't even know. That's a nice bass too. Did not even know I had a bass. Caught in a stick, pulled it out, so hit the bottom, boom. About to weigh this. Scale zeroed out. What's it doing? Why is it in kg? We'll convert it. Six point 6.56 kg. That's not right. It's about 1.5 pounds, okay? Alright, let it go. First fish on a bait caster. What is going on with this thing? Why is... I think the battery's low, but still. I just found this little section. I might try to drop down there. It's gonna hurt because it's... I don't know what the hell type of plant these are, but they have spikes on them and it really hurt. Hope I can get back up. I think I see like it gets deeper down there. And there's this little spot right there we're gonna try. I did tie on a little tiny jig for bluegill. Just feeling I'm not gonna catch many bass out of here. And there were kids at the spot I was gonna go before. So. Oh, I got a fish already. Green sunfish. Probably this aggressive fish of its kind. Here we go, little green sunfish, pretty fish. I know there's a ton of fish in here, a ton of bluegills. Before it even hit the bottom. Another green sunfish, this time even smaller. Oh, that was a bigger fish. Another green sunfish. The big ones are fun. The big, like, actual, like, you catch like a 9-inch bluegill, 9-inch green sunfish. Those are fun because those put up a heck of a fight. I need another white grub because this one is destroyed. Before it even hits the bottom, they just go after it. My white grub is destroyed. I gotta get another one on. Damn, they destroyed this thing. Back in business. Yep. Oh, we got a chub. I'm surprised there's a chub in here. Alright, it's another species to put in here. Creek chub. I'm thinking it's a horny head chub, but nope. Actually, it might be. That's creek chub. Oh my god. Not even a bad creek chub either. Put my phone in my bag so I can go in the water more. Cause I'm like, I really don't want to get in the water because my phone's in my pocket, might fall out. Even though I do it in the creek all the time, this is different. There's mud, so if I sink, but that was different. It doesn't even hit the bottom. I feel like this is the same green sunfish I've been catching. Still fun though. They're so aggressive. I saw them come out after that. There's a bigger green sunfish. Nice bigger one. Still not a giant by any means, but we're going up the scale. Used to catching these fingerlings, now I'm catching these big fingerlings. Oh, there's a big school of green sunfish in here. These fish just don't stop. I know there's a ton of fish down there. Is this where I was at before? I don't think this is where I was at before. I don't know. Is this where I was fishing yesterday, Sunday? The sun came out, which is a really good thing. This is like green sunfish paradise. It's not that deep though. Right there, it's deep. The deepest part. Oh, there's a bass in there. There's a bass in there. There was Senko. It's tangled. I scared it. Oh, we got it. That's a different bass than I saw. This is bigger than what I just saw. Calm down. Oh my god. There's a rose right there. Nice little, probably 11-inch bass. A Senko. Just gonna release this guy. Can't do underwater because this water is really not clear. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I really had a fun time today. Even though I was catching a bunch of smaller fish, I still managed to get 2 bass, one out of this pond, which I really was surprised was bassing. I had that sick blow up right there, and a sick blow up over there, another one right there, another one right there. But 0 for 4 on the blow ups, but I still got a bass right there on a craw. So, good day. See you guys next time.